I'm Balaram and I'm from Point Lookout, New York. My favorite wave over here has got to be pipe, just because it's right here in our front yard and it's got some of the best waves in the world. Just gonna try and get one, maybe 2 or 5.
And when you left, you said it's 'cause I never listened. At least that's what I think you said. But that's not really accurate now, is it? And if it is, does it even make a difference? If I don't listen all the time, then I might miss it. It's more than just a habit.
I'd say the best experience of my life, I don't know, I guess there's a lot of them, but one of the top ones that kind of stands out is probably getting a good wave out here where you just really feel like a legit spit on your back. Like, until I came out here, I've never really felt like a wave spit that hard on me. It's a pretty good feeling.
From talking. Sometimes I wish that everyone would just shut up, but when it comes down to keeping me distracted, too much is never enough.
The Quick Pro this year in New York was pretty wild. Me having the wild card and kind of having an experience like no other. I've never seen that many people in that area and seen such a big crowd that's so into the contest. I've never really experienced that many people coming up to me. People are so psyched for me, and that's pretty cool to see. I think my Twitter followers went up by like 1,000 or something. I didn't even have like a couple hundred before then, so it's pretty cool to see.